Hi guys, good morning. Excuse my face because parang hindi ako makapag-face kasi nga I just woke up. So today I'm gonna show you what I'll be eating for breakfast. So today gagawa ako ng torta. It's made of okra and kangkong leaves. It's made of this. I have okra here soaked in water and kangkong leaves. And I'll add egg, pero di ako mag-add ng flour, I think. Depende yun. I'll pag-iisipan ko muna kung ano talaga yung gagawin ko. So first I'm gonna, parang ano ba tawag doon? Ano siya ba? To smaller species, oh my gosh. Smaller pieces itong kangkong para, hiwain ng, yeah, para ganyan na, para ano naman. And then, pasensya na guys, marunong ako magluto pero I don't really have the knife skills yet. Like, marunong na ako maghiwa pero hindi lang talaga yung parang, like, parang, ano bang tawag, proper cook na ano, like, yung same length, like, parang hindi talaga, hindi ka na, hindi ko buti dito sa cook siya. So anyway, hindi siya pantay, like, parang, I'm still an amateur to, sa knife skills ko, pero masarap naman ako magluto. Gaslighting myself. Ano ba yan? So, dinadamihan ko na siya para naman, para mas mabilis tayo matapos at hindi hahaba yung video. So, in my previous vlog, nagbisaya ako. So, today, I'll be talking in Tagalog naman. Himala kasi di ako mag-voice over today. Pero, siguro may parts na mag-voice over ako. Or I don't know if eto is gagawin ko na lang din siyang voice over. Depende yun guys. Ano ba ito? So, may kangkong leaves kasi dito. May kangkong na ano ba? Yung may mga ano, pero kinuha ko lang is yung leaves kasi gagawin ko nga siyang parang torta or popoy. And then, ano ba? Parang, di ko siya trip na kainin na isama sa okoy. Parang nakakain ng mga stem niya, di ba? Mayroon yun, parang sinasali siya doon. So, anyway guys, kumusta kayo? How are you all doing? How's school? How's work? How's life? Ganun. Like, are you guys okay? Kasi pag okay kayo, I'll be okay. Like, mapapanatag ako guys. Because, like, I want everyone to be okay together. Like, I'm low-key supporting each and everyone. So, yan. I think wala na dito. May isa pa. So, yeah. Wala na siya. Wala siya naman. And then, since wala siya naman, I'll transfer it here again. Dito ko na siya set aside. Kasi hihiwain na natin yung okra. So, ang ginagamit ko lang dito is wala akong ring light at the moment. Pinag-iipunan ko pa yung mga future tools ko. Kasi, wala pa tayong budget. Unlike sa iba is may talaga sila. Kasi, as you know guys, nag-aaral pa naman ako. Like, I don't have a job right now. So, hindi ko ma-fund yung hindi ko ma-fund yung mga parang pwede kong gamitin na tools or high-tech tools para mag-vlog. So, hindi naman din siya parang needed kasi may alternatives naman, di ba? Like, for example, yung ring light mo, you can substitute it with a parang lamp, may study lamp. Tapos, if it's too bright for you, lalagyan ko lang siya ng yung parang, ang tawag doon? Lalagyan ko siya ng cover, which is yung papel, long band paper. Lalagyan ko siya para ma-even out yung parang light brightness niya sa phone or sa camera na gagamitin mo. Ganyan yung technique ko guys. So, okra is slimy. So, expected na yun. So, pag hindi nyo siya gusto, like, you can skip it. Pwede naman lang yung parang kangkong leaves na lang yung gamitin nyo. Or you can add other vegetables as well, like yung parang squash, talong, and then yung akin lang, kasi ito lang yung available at the moment. So, hindi ko siya, ano tawag i-mix ko na siya dito kasi nga they're into one dish naman. So, same na lang din siya ng lagayan. No need to, may nagasan ko din naman to sila before ako mag-take ng video and stuff. So, I think it's fine. Parang ba't nabubulol pa ako? And so, yeah. Like, life's been stressful lately for the past few weeks, I guess. Kasi nga, madami akong tinatrabaho right now, guys. Like, doon sa parang, yung office na parang pinagtatrabuhuan ko sa OJT ko. So, madami kaming, kasi, ano ba tawag doon? Yung, parang Tagalog, yung parang, natsyempuhan kasi na araw ng bayad ng tubig. So, ayun, madami kaming coupons na sinusort. And nakakapagod siya kasi super dami talaga. And then, minsan, parang nakakalimutan nila na ibigay lahat ng mga natanggap na coupons. So, ayun, parang nag-uulit kami ng kasi need namin siya i-insert sa mga natapos na ng coupons. So, medyo, stressful siya for us, ng mga kasama ko doon. Na, yung parang partner ko na nag-sort din sa coupons. And ayun na nga guys, like, I'm also sad right now kasi nga, pinaayos ko na yung laptop ko sa prof ko. pinatingin ko sa kanya, pina-check up ko, and then he said that it's a bit complicated. Na maaayos naman siya, but it will be costly. Kasi baka need palitan yung mga insides ng laptop. So, and yung inside kasi yun na guys is very expensive, so mapapamahal ka talaga. So, he suggested na bili na lang daw ng bago, which made me parang nasad ako kasi nga hindi ko pa afford bumili ng bagong laptop. And aside from that, may sentimental value din kasi yung laptop na yun. Kasi nga, hard-earned money yan ng parents ko. Like, parang binili talaga nila yun para sa school ko. Tapos, medyo na-disappoint ako kasi kung kailan na parang graduate na ako, maggagawa kami ng thesis doon kasi yung laptop is parang doon pa siya nasira. So, parang, I'm a bit sad. Like, hindi siya a bit sad. Like, I'm really, really sad about it. Kasi nga, hindi man lang parang, hindi man lang hindi man lang nag-give ng chance. Sana nasira na lang siya, like after yung gagraduate na ako, ganun, like yung sana after na lang siguro ng finals ng thesis defense ko, kasi hindi na ako gagamit ng laptop nun kasi tapos na ako mag-code, tapos na yung thesis, tapos everything, like mag-hardboard na lang, ganun. So sana dun na sana siya nasira, if ever naman na masisira talaga siya. So medyo stressful ulit kasi naghahanap ako ng pwedeng alternate solution kung paano ko tatapusin yung thesis ko, kasi nga di ba wala akong laptop. So baka manghiram ako ng computer sa school, and sana pumayag sila na magagamit ako ng computer nila doon sa computer lab for so yeah. Okay, so next step would be I'll crack some 2 eggs. So probably this is a lot, so I don't know, baka I'll be adding some 3rd egg. I'll add flour and water na lang siguro, diba? So, 2 eggs. And then some magic. Mag-add ako ng magic, guys. Hindi naman siya maalat. So, and then a bit of salt. This is so much. Okay, this is a bit a lot. So, hindi ko siya na-portion out. So, I'll add in some 3rd egg. Wait, kukuha ko ng itlog. Or no. Wait lang. As much as possible kasi I want it to be like parang, tawag yan? I want the veggies to be parang mas madami yung veggies kaysa sa egg, diba? I think this is enough naman. Yeah? Okay, so we're back. So ganito, sorry for the awkward angle, guys, kasi ito lang yung kaya. And sorry talaga. So I've heated the pan. Nag-heat na yung pan. So I'll be adding some oil. Cooking oil. Ooh, I think napadami, but it's fine. So kukuha ako ng 2 ladle, because this is one for the scooper and this one is for like flipping and stuff. So yeah. And I have here my drinking bottle. My water bottle. Ano to, guys? Tubig na parang nilagay ko ng hot water, tas ilagay ko ng onti ng warm water para mag-balance at hindi siya super hot pag ininom. So this is basically hot water. So you need to drink this like wala pang kain, like right after you woke up. Like it's really good. This helps with na-try ko na to dati when I was like dieting. Hindi nga lang, parang nalose naman ako ng konting weight. Like hindi naman I think it's a big weight kasi I was 100 kilos before, and now I'm staying in my 80. Nasa constant 80 na lang ako. So I think it's a good progress before, diba? So this really helps a lot pag ininom mo siya right after you wake up. Like it helps from the stomach, like parang binaburn ata. I don't know if it's true, pero yun kasi yung parang experience ko based on my experience. So I think napinay ko muna yung apoy. And then I think this is okay na. Hot na siya. So guys, technique, hot water, guys. Drink hot water before kumain. Like right after you woke up, drink it because it's really good for And then I think it's not just after you wake up, like before meals talaga. Like 30 minutes before ka kumain. So I'll be doing this every day, like any meal snack. So yeah. So mag-a-add na ako, guys. So I hope sana parang masarap tong lulutuin ko. Oh no! I think kailangan ko siyang ng flour kasi parang parang naghihiwalay siya, guys. No. Naghihiwalay siya! Hindi, tama yan. So I think I'll add a bit of flour. Maybe cornstarch na lang. Cornstarch. Asa na yung cornstarch? I'll add a bit of cornstarch. no, ng any starch sana, ng flour. Kasi wala akong flour, all I have is cornstarch and bread flour. Wala akong all-purpose flour. Mas okay sana yun if like, I have all-purpose flour. Diba? Kasi kakapa talaga yung ano. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, wait lang. Walang ano guys. Wala nang butane. Wala nang butane, wait lang. Naubusan ko ng gas. Wait lang guys. Yes, marunong po ako magpalit ng stove sa gas stove. Ng mini gas stove. Kaya pala hindi na siya palang nagsisilaw-silaw kasi ano ka pala. Lalat ng apoy. Pero di ako kontento sa cornstarch. I think I'll do this one. Okay naman gamitin yung parang bread flour guys, pero as much of ano kasi ayoko siyang gamitin kasi may amoy akong nakaamoy sa kanya na hindi ko gusto right after it's cooked. So I used it before. So hindi ko siya gusto pag naluluto siya. In ano nga, yung parang fries, pero if ano naman siya bake, I think it's okay naman yan. Wala siyang amoy. So I think nakuha ko na yung right consistency na gusto ko. So I think I'm okay. Then I'll get a plate para dun sa ano. I'll be using this one. Matching kasi green yung ano, yung ulam, tapos green din yung plate. Oh. Okay, I think it was okay naman. So, I will skip it to the part na guys, I'll skip it to the skip ako, or like probably fast forward, ano ko siya, cut ko siya. Kasi mahahaba ating video guys, so please bear with me. But I'll do it after nung mag-try ko na itong may cornstarch na. Cornstarch, oh my gosh. Ba't ako bulot day? Ano ba to? I think this is done. Kasi malipit na naman siya, it's fine. Kahit na naman, wala siyang ano. Kasi I've been craving this guys. Gusto ko lang yung mga ganitong food, yung parang pinatorta siya. So I'm really happy naman. May chance ako na makatorta. Okay, another. Like, first time ko dito ng parang, maglagay ng, maglagay ng kangkong and combine yung, okra sa kangkong. First time ko yun. As a torta ha. Pero as a dish na parang may masabaw, hindi. So, yeah, I think nakuha ko na. So, I think this will be, kahit hindi siya crunchy, guys, as long as it fits there. It fits the, good. Ooh. So, parang tumitigas siya kasi nga may starch. So, that's a good thing. Good thing yun guys, good thing. So, tabunan ko muna siya. Para naman maluto din yung parang up niya. Yung top. So, another drink! Kasi successful tayo. Well, in your eyes, parang di siya successful. But for me, it's a good thing. Successful siya. Nice na yung ano niya guys, yung parang, ano ba tawag doon? Medyo ano na siya, parang matigas na siya ng konti. Konti lang, yung not super tigas. Like, parang, kung mag-crunchy siya, ganun. Hindi siya crispy but crunchy. Or no, I think it's crispy and not crunchy. Ganun. Ganun ang atake ko. So, I'm back, and sorry for the background noise guys, kasi I couldn't take it anymore. It's very hot. So, what I have here is yung ginawa kong okra with kangkong leaves na torta or pancake na siguro, but this is for this rice. So I have here some rice, and I also have here, etong yellow na to is actually pumpkin soup or squash na sabaw, squash soup. And then I have here an empty plate kasi dito ko ilalagay yung kukunin ko na torta or pancake para hindi siya kasi hindi ko naman to uubusin lahat guys. Ito kasi madami siya, and this is for my isi-share ko to sa family ko, and I have here a bowl of rice. Mukha na siyang madami because of the parang sa pagka-bowl niya, but this is less, okay? And then I also have here some sauce for my pancake na yung may torta. So kaya ko din siya sinaseparate para hindi siya mahaluan ng ano. So, anyway, thank you. Okay. So, if ever na parang naiingayan kayo guys, I'm really sorry sa background. So, if it's ever too noisy sa ano, sa fan, sa ceiling fan, so I'll have to do a voiceover naman. So, yeah. Wait lang. Okay. And then, higop na lang ako sa baron. Ano to? Squash soup na may gata. Palabasa na may gata. Sinabaw na. Gawa to ng mom ko. Okay, before ako maglagay ng sauce, I have to taste it. Mag-isa. Taste ko mo siya ng walang sauce, diba? Okay. Let's see if I did good. Okay, I did good kasi hindi siya masyadong maalat. Perfect siya. Yep. Perfect. I mean, wala naman talagang perfect. But masarap siya. Hindi siya super maalat. So, I think I did a good job with the, you know, seasonings. Kaya, like, parang sa video is super dami nang nilagay ko. But it was enough. Maybe because din parang may ano siya. The slimy content. Tas, hindi siya masyadong maalat kasi in the end, yung second batch and other batches ko is nilagyan ko siya ng cornstarch. So, kaya parang nabawasan siya. So, I'll add it here sa yung sabaw. Ilagay ko sa rice. Then, oh, forgot. So, alam niyo na to kasi yung pote, but this is the sauce. Sayang lang kasi walang ketchup. So, this would have been better if may ketchup, diba? And then, wait lang. I'll try it with the sauce. Better. So, sorry talaga guys. Paulit-ulit kasi super noisy ng background. And it's just too hot na talaga guys. Parang, ang ano na siya ba? Parang, yung tawag, ang Tagalog doon. Mainit na talaga. So, you know, ayoko na magbukang haga. Have my water. Hot water pa din to guys. Kasi, I think may nabasa ako sa ano, or nakita akong video na about dun sa parang Chinese medicine. So, clearly, sabi nila na yung ano kasi nila, yung way nila ng ano, pag mainit daw, mainit is kakain din sila ng mainit instead of cold water, or iinom sila ng mainit, or eat na something mainit instead of like something cold. Kasi daw, para daw yung body mo mag-release ng cold. Like bali, yung body mo is ano siya ba? Matawag doon. Like parang instead of, you know, mare-refresh daw yung body mo kasi umiinom ka ng mainit. Yeah, I think that's it. Mainit or malamig is yung panahon nila is they always drink mga something hot, eat something hot, ganun. So I think that works. Like check mo na lang. Masarap siya guys. First time ko ulit tumatikman yung ano, yung kalabasa na may gata na sinabugan. First time ko ulit to. So I'm gonna get another dito sa ano. Wait lang. Ano ba kasi? Sorry. So it's fine if like gamitin ko yung ano, kasi kami lang naman yung magkakapatid ang kakain. It's just my family. So, parehas lang din ang kami ng mga ano, diba? So, it's fine. Mas masarap to if may all-purpose flour talaga kasi yun, diba? Magiging crunchy and crispy siya. Like, on its own, masarap naman ito yung gawa ko. Pero, mas gusto ko yung may sauce kasi maanghang siya. I like spicy food, guys.